Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. I'm so glad you're here because today we're about to embark on a delicious journey together. Today, let's simplify healthy eating with the paleo lifestyle. If you've ever wondered what paleo really means, you're not alone. It's a way of eating that's inspired by the foods our ancient ancestors might have enjoyed, but it's also about making choices that fit our modern lives. Paleo is all about eating like our ancestors, whole, unprocessed foods that truly nourish us. Think lean meats, fresh fish, and foods that come straight from nature, not a factory. These are the building blocks of a strong, healthy body. Colorful veggies and fruits are at the heart of paleo too. Imagine filling your plate with a rainbow of produce, crisp greens, juicy berries, sweet carrots, and more. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber to keep you feeling your best. Nuts and seeds add crunch, flavor, and healthy fats. They're perfect for snacking or sprinkling on top of your favorite dishes, and they help keep you full and satisfied. In paleo, we skip grains, dairy, and refined sugars, not because they're bad, but because our bodies often feel better without them. We also avoid processed foods, which are usually loaded with additives and hidden sugars. Instead, we focus on foods that love us back, foods that support our energy, mood, and overall health. It's not about restriction, but about making choices that help us thrive. For my family, paleo became a way to heal and connect. We started exploring new foods together, experimenting in the kitchen, and even making healthy versions of our favorite comfort meals. It brought us closer and made mealtimes more fun. It's about getting back to basics, enjoying real food, prepared simply, and discovering that healthy eating can be both fun and deeply satisfying for everyone at the table. You don't have to change everything overnight. Start small, maybe try one new paleo recipe a week, or swap out a processed snack for a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit. Every little step counts. Or simply add more veggies to your meals. Try roasting, grilling, or sautéing them for extra flavor. The more you experiment, the more you'll find what your family loves. The goal is to build sustainable habits that feel good for your family, not just for a week, but for the long run. Paleo is flexible, and you can adapt it to fit your needs and tastes. Paleo isn't about can't-haves. It's a celebration of delicious, wholesome foods that energize and connect us. It's about abundance, not deprivation. Let's explore some simple, kid-approved recipes that will make your paleo dinner table a place of pure delight. Even picky eaters can find something to love. Ready to get started? Let's dive in and discover how easy and joyful paleo cooking can be. Here's how to make paleo work for your family, one delicious meal at a time. Paleo is more than what's on your plate. It's a foundation for lifelong wellness. Whole, nutrient-dense foods help kids grow, learn, and play with vibrant energy. Family meals become a time to connect, share stories, and build a sense of belonging. Healthy eating sends a message. We care for each other's well-being. Make it an adventure. Visit a farmer's market, let kids pick new veggies, and explore together. Healthy eating becomes fun, not a chore. Creating a paleo family table is an act of love, building memories and traditions your kids will cherish. Let's make every meal a moment of connection. Let's kick off with caveman chicken tenders, a healthy, crowd-pleasing classic that's perfect for busy weeknights or fun family dinners. These tenders are inspired by the simple, wholesome foods our ancestors might have enjoyed, but with a modern twist that makes them extra tasty and easy to prepare. You'll need just a handful of ingredients: chicken breast tenderloins, almond flour for a crunchy coating, garlic and onion powder for flavor, a pinch of salt and pepper, and 1 egg to help everything stick together. These simple ingredients come together to create a meal that's both nourishing and satisfying. Start by dipping each chicken tenderloin in the beaten egg, making sure it's fully coated. Then, roll it in the almond flour mixture until every side is covered. Arrange the tenders on a baking sheet and pop them into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake until they're golden brown and crispy on the outside, but still juicy inside. While the chicken cooks, let's make some sweet potato fries. Slice your sweet potatoes into even strips, toss them with a little oil and a sprinkle of salt, and spread them out on a tray. Bake them right alongside the chicken for maximum convenience and flavor. In just about 25 minutes, you'll have a tray full of crispy chicken tenders and perfectly roasted sweet potato fries. The kitchen will smell amazing, and you'll have a meal that's both comforting and packed with nutrients. For dipping, try serving with paleo-friendly options like creamy guacamole or tangy sugar-free ketchup. These dips add even more flavor and keep the meal healthy and fun for everyone. This meal feels like a treat, but it's made entirely from real, wholesome ingredients you can feel good about serving to your family. It's proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or complicated. Healthy food can be the most delicious food of all. With every bite, you'll taste the love and care that goes into making a meal from scratch. Your family will love this simple, satisfying dinner, and you'll love how easy it is to make. Give it a try and see just how tasty healthy eating can be. Next up, Mighty Mammoth Meatballs, a delicious and playful way to sneak extra veggies into your family's dinner. These meatballs are not only hearty and satisfying, but they're also packed with hidden nutrition, making them perfect for picky eaters and veggie lovers alike. Start by mixing ground beef or turkey with almond flour, an egg, oregano, salt, and pepper. For even more flavor and nutrition, you can add finely chopped spinach or grated carrots right into the meat mixture. Roll the mixture into big, hearty meatballs and line them up on a tray, ready for cooking. For the sauce, sauté onion, garlic, grated carrot, and zucchini in a skillet until they're soft and fragrant. This is where the magic happens. The veggies blend right in, adding sweetness and depth. Then, pour in crushed tomatoes and let everything simmer together, creating a rich, veggie-packed sauce. Gently nestle the meatballs into the bubbling sauce. Let them simmer until they're cooked through and tender, soaking up all those delicious flavors. The sauce thickens and the meatballs become juicy and flavorful. Serve your Mighty Mammoth meatballs over a bed of zucchini noodles, roasted spaghetti squash, or creamy cauliflower mash. These sides keep the meal light, grain-free, and full of veggies, making it a perfect paleo-friendly dinner. As the sauce simmers, the veggies melt right in, making the dish both kid-friendly and loaded with nutrients. Even the pickiest eaters won't notice all the goodness hidden inside. This dish is hearty, comforting, and sure to become a family favorite. It's perfect for busy weeknights or a cozy weekend dinner, bringing everyone together around the table. With every bite, you get a protein-packed meal that's bursting with flavor and nutrition. It's so tasty, everyone will be asking for seconds. For extra fun, invite the kids to help roll the meatballs. It's a great way to get them involved in the kitchen and excited about eating their veggies. Enjoy this cozy, veggie-loaded dinner that's as nourishing as it is delicious. Mighty Mammoth meatballs are sure to become a staple in your home. Now let's make Dynamite salmon patties, a fun way to get kids excited about fish. Combine canned wild salmon, egg, coconut flour, fresh herbs, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Shape into patties and pan fry until golden and crispy. Serve with zucchini noodles, spiralized or ribboned, raw or lightly sautéed. This meal is quick, packed with omega-3s, and perfect for busy nights. The crispy patties and fresh zoodles are a hit with kids and adults. Healthy, light, and satisfying. A nutrient-rich dinner that's as fun as it is tasty. Let your little ones help shape the patties for extra engagement. Want kids to love healthy food? Get them involved. Even toddlers can help wash veggies, tear lettuce, or stir ingredients. Make cooking playful. Give recipes silly names, pretend you're chefs, and let kids use safe tools. Offer choices: broccoli trees or green bean swords. It gives them control and excitement. Let them pick a new veggie at the store or help plan the menu. Lead by example. Show enthusiasm for healthy foods and talk about their colors and flavors. Keep mealtimes relaxed and pressure-free, encouraging curiosity and celebration. Cooking together builds healthy habits and happy memories. As we wrap up, remember, Paleo is about joy, connection, and real food. The recipes we've shared are invitations to get creative, play, and discover the satisfaction of whole food eating. Gathering at the table strengthens family bonds and creates cherished memories. These rituals nourish both body and soul. Take the first step, experiment, make a mess, and celebrate every small victory. By cooking and eating together, you're building a legacy of health and happiness. Happy cooking and enjoy every moment around your family table.